Example 2. We want to subtract 20 minus 4. We want to subtract 20 minus 4. Okay, step 1, we'll make a circle around 20. And go back, we are going to go back 4 steps. We are going to go back 4 steps. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 16. So I think it's easy. Step 1, make a circle around the greatest number. Step 2, to go back 4 steps and count, and we will see the answer. I will solve this one and I will choose one boy and one girl to solve the last 2 examples here. 23 minus 7. Step 1, make a circle around 23. Step 2, go back 7 steps. We will go back 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer also is 16. Here I'll choose one boy and I'll choose one girl to solve these 2 examples here. Okay, first one is 14 minus 3. This one is 25 minus 2. Okay, let's see, Stephen. Lena? Lena?
Okay, Mr. Answer?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can you see this exercise, this one?
Yes.
Can you read?
14 minus 3.
Okay, can you tell me the first step, Lana? Step 1.
Step 1, we will make big circle around 14.
Make a circle around 14. Okay, this is step number 1. And we will go back or we go forward? We'll go back or go forward?
We will go back.
Okay,
Back.
how many steps we will go back?
3.
How many steps? 3. Can you count? I will start from 14. Can you count?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
So
So the answer is
11.
11. Very good. Thank you, Lana. Okay, let's see a boy. I want. Safe.
Yes, Master.
Safe, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, Master.
Okay, Safe, can you read this exercise? The last one?
Yeah.
Read.
25 minus 2 equals.
Okay, tell me the step 1.
Mister.
Okay, I hear you.
Oh, you still come, Mister.
You still come. Okay, let's see another one. Wait. Karim. Karim.
What?
How are you?
Fine, son.
Okay, Karim, can you solve this one?
Yes.
Okay, what we are going to do, Karim?
We'll build circle around 25.
Very good. Make a circle around 25, the greatest one.
And count
Count 2.
2.
Back. Okay. 1
1,
and
2.
2. So the answer is
The answer is 23.
23. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Karim. Thank you. Okay, for all of you, this is lesson one. This is lesson one, which I want to revise to you. Subtraction by using number line. Step one, we'll make a circle around the greatest number and count back by the second number. We count back by the second number. Okay, this is number line. Number two, or lesson two, we want to revise. Now we finish number line. Now we are going to revise what about modeling. Okay, to subtract number by using modeling, we will see this exercise. I will explain it to you. I will explain two here, and I have here another exercise. You will solve it. As example, if I want to subtract 64 minus 23, we want to subtract 64 minus 23. What we are going to do here? In the beginning, I want to represent 64 here. 64 has only one sentence. So I will represent 4, like what we do in the last online session, by 4 squares, like that. This is step number 1. We will represent the first number, 64. 4, we make 4 square here, and for tens, we will make 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we have here we have 64. We will represent 4 ones like 4 square. We represent 6 tenths like 6 line like that. This is step 1. Step 2, in add, we represent the second number here. But in subtraction, it's easy. We will not represent the second number. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will cancel. In ones, we will cancel 3, because here we have 3. I will cancel 3. 1, 2, 3. And for tenths, I will cancel 2. 1, 2. So again, from the beginning, in the first step, I represent 64 by 4 square and 6 line. This is step number 1. Step 2, we will not represent 23. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will cancel, because in subtraction we make cancellation. We cancel. I will cancel 3 from ones and 2 from tens. I will write now the remain. I have here in ones, the remain is 1. And for tens, the remain is 4. So the answer is 41. Okay, another exercise. If we have 87 minus 65. Step 1, we will represent this number, the greatest number. 7 in ones and 8 in tens. 7 in ones, we will represent it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8 in tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is step number 1. Step 1, we represent the first number. Here we have 7 in ones and 8 in tens. We make 7 square in ones and 8 line in tens. This is step number 1. Step 2, we will cancel. We will cancel the second number. We will cancel the second number. I will cancel 5 from ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cancel 5 from ones, and I will cancel. We can make it something like that. So now we cancel 5. So don't forget, when you cancel the ones, we can cancel the number in ones. And now we will cancel 6 from tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you can cancel 6 here. So now we need to write the remain. The remaining ones is 2. The remaining is tens in tens is 2 also. So the answer is 22. Okay, another exercise. And in this exercise, we need to think what we are going to do. If we have 43 minus 27. Okay, step 1, we need to represent 43. 1, 2, 3. Step 2, we need to represent 4. We will represent it by using 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the easy step, we need to cancel. We need to cancel 7 from ones. But I will stay here for a moment because here I have only 3, and now I want to cancel 7. So how come here I have only 3? As you can see, here we have only 3 in ones, and now we need to cancel 7 square. So what we are going to do to solve this problem? To solve this problem, we are going to take 1 from tens and put it here. We will take 1 from tens and put it here. In the last session, I tell you that 1 from tens, it's mean 10 square. I said that in the last session, that 1 tens equal 10 square. So I will take 1 from here and put 10 square here. So now we take it, this one, and put 10 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from the beginning, what we do here, step 1, we represent 43 by 3 square in ones and 4 line in tens. This is step number 1. Step 2, we need to cancel. But when I try to cancel 7, I found that I have only 3 here in ones. I have only 3. So I can't cancel 7. So how can I solve this problem? I solve it by take 1 from tens and add 10 square here. Okay, now I can cancel. I need to cancel 7. We need to cancel 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now here we cancel 7. We need to cancel 2 from tens. 1, 2. So now we cancel 2. We need to write the remain. We will count the remaining square here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6, and here we have 1. So the answer is 16. The answer is 16. Another exercise like this one, because this is an important exercise. We have here 64 minus 38. I will solve it. We need to represent 64 here by put 4 square in ones and 6 line in tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So step 1, we represent 64 by draw 4 square in ones and 6 line in tens. This is step number 1. Step 2, the easy step, we need to cancel. We need to cancel 8 square from ones. We need to cancel 8 square from ones. But here we don't have 8. Here we have 4 only. So we need to add more square here. The problem is we need to cancel 8 from ones, 8 square, but we don't have 8. We have only 4. So we have here a problem. We need to solve this problem. How we can solve this? By add more square. So from where we will bring this square? We will bring this square from tens. I will take 1/10 like that and add 10 square. So now we take 1/10 and put it here. We draw 10 square. Now we need to cancel 8 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cancel 8. We need to cancel 3 from tens. 1, 2, 3. We have the answer here. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones and tens 2. The answer is 26. The answer is 26. Okay, I will try to have a question and take one boy and one girl to solve. Exercise 1. 41 minus 18. Let's see. Layan. Ahmed. Ahmed.
Yes, Mr.
Ahmed,
Yes,
how are you?
fine, thank
Ahmed, can you solve this one? Can you solve it?
Yes, Mr.
How? We need to subtract 41 minus 18. Okay, think I will choose another one.
One.
Let's see, Barcinia. Barcinia.
Hi.
Barcinia, can you solve this one?
Yes.
Okay, how?
We will draw in the ones 1.
1 in ones, we will draw 1 square, and in tens.
And the tens, we will draw 4.
Okay. This is first step. We draw for ones,
And
we draw 1 square, and for tens, we will draw 4 line. Okay, now we want to cancel 8. We want to cancel 8 from this square. We need to cancel 8 square. Do you think we have 8 square here, Parthenia?
No.
So how can we solve this problem? We need to solve this problem. How can we solve this?
We will take in cents and put 1.
We will take
the
1
ones.
from tens. Yeah. How many? How many we will draw here now? How many?
10.
10. Very good. So we take, Barcinia said that we will take 1 from tens here and put it to ones and draw 10 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now what we are going to do, Parthenia?
We will make in the ones cancel 8.
We will cancel 8. We will cancel 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cancel 8 from ones and from tens. How many we will cancel?
1.
1. Okay, now we want to write the answer. In ones, how many squares remain?
2. 3.
No, not 2, 3.
Yeah.
And in tens?
2.
2. Okay. Thank you, Parsinia. Very good. So now Parsinia solves this one. I want to choose another one. A boy, Stephen. Where is Stephen? I see Stephen here. Stephen. But Stephen can't sit. Stephen, you have a problem in your mic. Stephen, you can't speak. Okay, Yasin. Yasin Mabruk. Yasin.
Yes, Mister.
Yasin, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yasin, I want you to solve this example. Here we have 73. We want to subtract 73 minus 57. How can we solve this?
How we can solve this?
Yeah.
We'll put 7 in the tens.
No, we start from ones. We
I
draw
mean ones.
the one.
Yeah, we will put the 3 in ones.
3 square. We draw 3 square. And here, what we are going to draw? We will draw square or line? What do you think?
Line.
Line. How many line we'll draw here in tens?
We will draw
5 or 7?
5.
No, wrong. We draw 7. We represent the first one. We represent the first number. We draw 3 square in ones, and we will draw 7 line in tens. We represent the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is step number 1. Step 2, we want to cancel. I want to cancel from ones, from this square. I want to cancel 7. I want to cancel 7 square. How can we solve this problem? Because here I have only 3 and I want to cancel 7.
You will take 4 from the tens.
We will take 4. We will take 4 from tens or 1?
1, 1.
When we take from tens, we take only 1. We take 1 because 1 line from tens equals 10 square, Yasin. Okay? So now we are going to cancel. I will cancel 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many? Now I cancel 7. How many line I want to cancel from tens? How many line we want to cancel? How many? I cancel 7 from here. I cancel the 7. I cancel the 7 once. But 5. What we are going to cancel?
You will cancel
this one. From here, from tens or from ones? We will cancel 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the final answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones and 1 tens. 16. Yes. I want you to solve this one. 45 minus 27. Tell me, how can we solve this one?
We put 5 in the ones.
Yeah, we will represent the first number, 45, by put 5 square in ones and
4 lines in the tens.
4 line in tens. Okay, we need to cancel 7 square, but here I have only 5. What we are going to do?
We'll take 1 from the tens.
We'll take 1 from tens and draw 10 square here.
Yeah.
Okay. We take one 10, we take one line and draw 10 square here. Okay, now we want to cancel. How many square we will cancel here from ones? How many square?
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many line we will cancel from tens?
2.
2. Very good. 2. Can you tell me the answer?
The answer 18.
The answer is 18. 1 and 8. So it will be 18. Okay. Do you understand, Yasin?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. And all of the exercise we see it here, we have only 2 number. All the exercise, we have only 2 number. Now I will take one exercise, have 3 number, 3 digit, ones and tens and hundreds. Example 1, we have 456. We want to subtract 456 minus 232. Like what we do here, I will make this one. Step 1, I will represent the first number by draw 6 ones, 6 small square. We represent 6 ones and 5 line in tens and 400s. We draw 4 big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we represent the first number. We represent the first number. 6 small square in ones, 5 line in tens, and 4 big square in hundreds. And now we are going to cancel. In ones, I will cancel 2. We cancel 2. In tens, we cancel 3. 1, 2, 3. In hundreds, we will cancel 2. 1, 2. And now we are going to write the remain. The remain is 4 in ones, 2 in tens, 2 in hundreds. The answer is 224. So it's the same like what we solve here, but here we have 3 digit. We have the 3 place value. Step 1, we represent 456, 6 small square here, 5 line in tens, and 4 in hundreds. This is step number 1. Step 2, we cancel. Step 2, we cancel. We cancel 2 from ones, 3 from tens, and 2 from hundreds. Okay, the final answer is 224. This is an easy example. Let's see this example. 314 minus 182. How can we solve this example? Step 1, I will represent 314. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we draw 4 square. In tens, I will draw 1 line because here I have only 1. And in hundreds, I will draw 3 big square. 1, 2, 3. So here we represent 314. 4 in ones, 4 small square. 1 in tens, just 1 line in tens. And in hundreds, we draw 3 square. Okay? Now we want to cancel. I want to cancel 2 from ones. We cancel 2. We need to cancel 8 from tens. When we see 8, we need to cancel 8 line from tens. But here we have only 1. We can't cancel 8 because here I don't have enough lines. So how can we solve this one? We will take one big square like what we do in the previous examples. We'll take one big square and add 10 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So because here we don't have enough line, we take one big square from hundreds and we put 10 line in tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can cancel 8 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we cancel the tens. The last step, we need to cancel 1 from hundreds, like that. And now we need to write the answer. The remain here is 2 in ones, 1, 2, 3, 3 in tens, and 1 in hundreds. The answer is 132. Another exercise. We need to subtract 425 minus 248. Okay, step 1, we will represent 425. Step 1, we will represent 425. How can we represent this? Can we see Stephen to help me this exercise? Stephen,
Yes.
can you hear me, Stephen?
Yes.
Stephen, can you help me in this exercise?
Yeah.
We want to represent 425 here. How can we represent this? How can we represent this number?
Put 4 in the hundreds.
No, we start all the time from ones, from the beginning. We start from ones, okay?
5 squares and 1.
Small or big?
Small.
Small. Small. 5 is small. Okay, 5 small square in ones. And in tens?
2. 2 lines.
2. 2 line in tens. Okay. And in hundreds?
4 bigger squares.
4 big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we finish the first step. The first step said we need to represent the first number, 425. 5 small square in ones, 2 line in tens, 4 big square in hundreds. This is step number 1. Step 2, we need to cancel. I want to cancel 8 from ones. Can you cancel 8 from ones? Here, from this. Can we cancel 8?
No, we will
Why?
cancel
Yeah,
110
what we
and
we will cancel 110 and put
here 10 squares.
10 square. Very good. Stephen, do this because here we don't have enough square to cancel. Here we have only 5 and we need to cancel 8. So how he solves this problem? He take 10 from here and add another 10 square to cancel 8 1. We now we are going to cancel 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we cancel 8. Okay, here. We finish once. We finish the ones. Now we are going to cancel 4. We need to cancel 4 line here. 4 line from tens. We need to cancel 4 from here. How can we cancel 4? We need to cancel 4 line and we have only one line. We need to cancel 4, and we have only one. How can we solve this?
We will get 1 square from the hundred.
Very good. We will get one big square from hundreds and add
Put
how
10.
many lines we are going to add?
10
10
lines.
lines. Very good. We add 10 lines. Now, can we cancel 4 lines from 10, Stephen, or no? Can we cancel?
Yes.
Yeah, we can cancel 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
We cancel 4. Now we cancel 4 lines. We need to cancel 2 from hundreds. I have here 3. Can I cancel 2
Yes.
or no? Yeah, we can.
Yes.
1 and 2.
2.
Can you tell me the answer? We need to count the final result. 1, 2,